Presenting a pre-owned 2021 GMC Yukon Denali. This 4-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 86,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include technology package, air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, trailer hitch, rear privacy glass, window defogger, and moonroof.